What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play M.O.S. Battery Full by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's only got 2 different chords that you pick through, and I'll show you how to strum through them as well. As always, if you need this guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as the guitar chord diagrams. You can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So for the picking that you can just pick throughout the entire song, you're going to put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and then you're going to bar with your index finger the 5th fret on the G, B, and E. This is a version of an A minor here. So again, 7th fret D, and then 5th fret on G, B, E, and you're just picking through those one by one. Just D, G, B, E, G, D, or D, G, B, E. You do that twice. Then you go down to the 3rd fret on the D string, the 2nd fret on the G string, and you're going to go 1st fret on the high E, and then take it off. So you do that twice as well. Now if you want to know the chords so you can just strum through the song, it's only 2 different chords. It's going to be A minor, which is 002210, middle finger on the 2nd fret of your D string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And then you're going to go F major 7, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your thumb is going to be on the 1st fret of the low E. Your ring finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of A. Pinky finger, 3rd fret D. Middle finger, 2nd fret G. Index finger, 1st fret B. And then the high E is open. Now a strumming pattern that I think works is going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 But guys, that's all there is to it. Keep practicing, you will have this song down in no time. Now the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.